A High Court judge, Justice Mnangagwa, is set to hear an urgent application on Tuesday, January 14, filed by Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights on behalf of Harare Residents Trust HRT. Sarpina mashoko anobuda anyuka pana bvunzi aiwa panguva ino iyi mutongo wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa osungiswa pamusoro pe-unsafe flyovers. Saka pana mashoko mudaniko pana panoruwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa Mnangagwa kwa mchinzi. The case seeks to address the government's failure to repair unsafe flyovers that pose a serious risk to residents of Harare. The residents filed the application at the Harare High Court on February 15, 2024, requesting an order to compel the Minister of Transport and Infrastructural Development, Felix Mona, to address the defects on 3 of the city's flyovers. The flyovers in question are located along Simon Mazuroti, Lighton Road, and Fido Castro Road. HRT is calling on the High Court to order Minister Mona to fix the defects within 90 days of the court's ruling, ensuring that the flyovers are safe for road users. The trust is also seeking declaration that the minister's failure to address the defects violates the residents' constitutional rights. A safe environment is guaranteed under Section 73(1)(a) of the Constitution, which protects citizens from harm to their health and well-being. Do mashoko anobuda anyuka panapa tunaotakawa maministers emutukamira wenyika yeZimbabwe aunzi aiwa osungiswa bvunzi aiwa they must repair all these flyovers. Vanogona kuti arikupa harm kuma-citizens. Wese panapa tiona kuti ma-structures acho vanhu vachatogoma trust mukaona aiwa kuti interchange yakunzi Trapa Plus aiwa muchiona train aiwa ichiri nemuka zvayo vanhu zvavanyatsoona kuti saka pachanyazofamba ma-trucks kana nema-heavy vehicles here pathat interchange. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yenu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like,